Hey everybody, it's Jared with MiScreen, and I'm going to do a installation video of our MiScreen software. So I've already put my disk into my computer here. If you don't have a disk, we also have the files that we can send to you. But here I'm on Windows. This here is the user's guide. The user's guide you actually get in a hard copy in the box. But we've got Windows here. The first thing that the user manual is going to tell you is to follow the README and read this. You see here it's the USB driver is what we're going to set up first, and then we're actually going to set up the application. So the first thing I'm going to do is go to my USB driver setup, and it's going to prompt me to make changes on Windows, and I'm going to click yes, and then I'm going to click install. It's just going to run the installation wizard automatically. So that's already done. Now we're going to go to the application setup and run this application. This application setup here is the actual program. The program is called Screen Making, and it will be the program that you would use. Again, you get another notification that it wants to make changes to Windows. I'm going to go ahead and create a desktop shortcut here. If you don't want it out on your desktop, you can just delete that, but I like putting a shortcut out on the desktop and then dragging it down into my quick menu at the bottom here. So again, just follow the setup wizard, click finish, and I'll minimize that, and we can see here there's our icon, and I just drag my icon down into my taskbar so that now it's going to be pinned down to my taskbar, and here is my program. All I would do is just drop an image in here, and I'll do a video on just using this pretty simple software here. So I hope you guys enjoyed this, and if you get any other questions, you can give us a call. It's 800-597-9530, or you can reach us on our website, expressscreen.com, or any of our social media platforms, Facebook, Instagram, or YouTube. You can just simply search Express Screen. So hopefully you guys found this informative, and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.